Sun Salutation A. Begin at the top of your mat. Join your palms at your heart with the thumbs side by side in between your hands. Press into your chest and connect to this moment, your breath, and your intention for practice today. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Press your palms up and around all the way to the ground. Forward fold. Root through your fingertips. Inhale, lift your gaze forward, bend through your knees. On your next out breath, step your left foot back. Exhale, downward dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, step in between your hands. Inhale, lift your gaze, drop your back knee. Exhale, step forward, forward fold. Inhale, sky diamond with the palms together above your head. Exhale, join at heart center. Sweep down, around, and up. Inhale. Exhale all the way down. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, step your right foot back, followed by your left. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step forward in between your hands. Inhale, lift your gaze up. Exhale, forward fold. Om Mani Padme Hum. Bend through your knees, Utkatasana, up to sky diamond, palms join above your head, straight legs. Exhale, join your palms to heart center and connect to your breath, your intention. We're going to do that one more time. This time we're going to speed things up. Inhale, palms above the head, maybe slight back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step the left foot back, followed by the right, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step forward in between your hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sky diamond, palms above your head. Exhale through heart center, around and back up. Slight back bend. Exhale, forward fold. You're doing great. Inhale, lift your gaze, flat back with knees bent. Step your right foot back, followed by your left, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step forward in between your hands. Inhale, lift your gaze, look up. Exhale, forward fold at the top of your mat. Inhale, sky diamond with palms at heart center. Great work. Access infinite love, compassion, equanimity, and joy at all times. You've now completed Sun Salutation A, Giving with the Sun A. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, like, and keep coming back for more foundational heart-centered yoga practices.